how to download YouTube Music app on your desktop. So in order to do that, first you have to open your browser and go to youtube.com. And once you are logged in, what you can do is scroll down here and you can see more from YouTube right here. Here you can see YouTube Music. Just click on it. And once your YouTube Music opens, what you can do is go to the top right here, bookmark. Besides the bookmark, you will see this icon that says install. So install YouTube Music. Here you want to click on install right here, and will be opened on your desktop like this. So right here, the YouTube Music app is now downloaded to my desktop. Another method you can do is directly search for YouTube Music, download, and from here you can open this link right here. This is the web version, so in order to download the app version, you need to go here and go to your settings right here. I've already downloaded it, so there is no option to download here, so you will see an option to download here as well. That's how you download YouTube Music on your desktop. I hope you found the video helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.